Welcome to Dan Cummins of Georgetown, and here's a look at one of our many great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Solar Ray Deep Tinted Glass,
keyless entry,
chrome bumpers,
OnStar, air conditioning,
electronic stability control,
tire pressure monitoring system, 6-speaker audio system feature, traction control, 6-speaker audio system, and much more.
Since 1956, the Dan Cummins family of dealerships has been proudly serving our friends and neighbors here in Kentucky and surrounding states with the best purchasing and owning experience. We take pride in providing the best customer service and creating an environment that our customers can appreciate. Visit us today at one of our convenient locations in Paris or Georgetown and drive for your Dan Cummins deal.